hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Israel, building on Israel, Jah. Up on a solid rock I stand, building on Israel. Yeah, this is Feluke.
No matter what you have gone through, don't give up. And when the doctor tell you say you only have 3 months, 6 months, 1 day, get up! Because guess what? I'm gonna keep my soul alive. I've got to keep my soul alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. I'm gonna keep my soul alive. Our Father.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. Don't know the thing of people NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production, and to be honest people, me I do that vlog and me I do it naturally people. No joke about it. In a state where, to be honest, watching some clips and things people and tears in my eyes, to be honest. Right now it's 2:50 a.m. in the morning right now people, for tell you the honest truth. This story I did do it already, meaning I did record everything already people, and honestly I couldn't bother use that record after going through this entertainer who goes by the name of Feluke, who sadly passed away on Saturday gone people. You understand? January people. Saturday was what, the 5th of September. Yeah, sometime in that day he passed away. They say I'm thinking Mexico or so. He's a Jamaican reggae musician, also a percussionist, very talented. You know what I mean? Work on several shows, work with so much talented reggae superstar. Also do his percussionist on an album that won a Grammy by M0RE people. And to tell you, this man last days people was the roughest and the toughest. And one of the reasons people, honestly, why I really sad about everything in this is that I never know or heard of this man's condition. I just feel, to be honest people, I feel so bad to know that I'm a YouTuber who always try to seek help for people who need help. And to know that this man was asking for help, was begging for help. He have a GoFundMe and was pleading for help. And no one could ever tag me. No one could ever reach to me, and I see where so much people reach out to me for help. Now so they don't need help people, but for things so they could have still have life. But this man people need help to save his life, or to try and save his life. John, sorry people, just the way I do this, you know. Alright. They said this man, the cancer came on him in 2017, right? Actually, I think sometime in 2019 he did get like some help, like healing, because he did travel to Mexico and he got some good treatment there and things. So he was coming on very, very well until this thing just come down on him again, the colon cancer. Very wicked thing, eh? And in the end, people, he still was on his life. I watching those video people and not a beat here. We can't just The man and his life, people. The man have to be there in his life. Like, he can't keep steady. He have to be rolling and, cause the pain and everything. And all this man was asking for in his life was help. Please, if you have a cent, if you have $1, please just help contribute it to him GoFundMe. I swear, people, I never heard of this situation with this man, Feluke. He's now gone, people. And I feel, you see, true, honestly, people know from my heart, and anybody who know NEWLINK, we always try our best if people reach out to us and find out so them thing legit people push out there to seek help for them. You understand? And to know this man, they need help, and I have a platform where I could seek help people. I could do it, and I know even $1 I would help to generate to this cause. But his pain is now over. He's in heaven now. And I'm saying, people, this man has worked along and so much shows I'm telling you the truth, with a lot of entertainers. I'm going to be honest, people. You see, with entertainers, most of them are Jamaica, them are dog and them are jankro. I'm sorry for your word and sorry for you, I'm say it. And then wicked and then cruel. And then time I go come. Most of the entertainers, them are Jamaica people, only for themselves, them wicked. Because when them see one next one down, people, and this is not the first me see it, me see a lot of entertainers go through sufferation or whatever, and they need help, and they not help them, but them rather take the money, people, and use the money and do something else. Buy how much NEC and throw it away and flash it out and show off how much money they got, how much big car they can buy and this and that. And we have a country, people, where we have so much top people, Zine, but they fail to find that them heart to give back to a brother who really need help and need assistance. Yo, someone I go feel it, Me are telling that, Someone I go feel it, You see this pandemic I go on now? Wicked and cruel. I have seen where this man, people, has tagged entertainers, because I'm going through the comment top entertainers in Jamaica. I never even call them name. Some of them Rasta one, they told them some are big star people. And not one of them with a comment on the man thing. You understand? It's one entertainer is to make a comment and it's Romy and Virgo. But all of these other entertainers, people, they don't do nothing. You know what I mean? I'm telling the viewers and subscribers, it's sad. The man has lost. He's gone. His pain and his suffering is over, because these couple of days watching these live people, he's going through a lot. But it's over. And as the song saying, it soon be done. When troubles and trial. Yeah, man, you must sing that already, not true. And I get home on the other side. I just want to send out my condolences, people, to the family and friends of Feluke, and all the entertainers, anyone who did show support and show love to him. And for all of the entertainers, them who know them could have show love and never show love to this man. True, don't even know. But in the end, people, now that I really get the full understanding about this entertainer, I wish I could do it earlier. I wish I could do it before. But I'm going to do it now. I'm just going to showcase some different types of video clips, people, with him doing some singing, playing some drums, so you can just know that this man was really a true talent, and Jamaica has lost an icon. And that's why I'm going to start, and that's why I'm going to say a top reggae artist. Not because the one them who should have been listed, them are top people. They don't deserve to be top. These are the one who deserve top, and this is my top reggae artist. Zine, because the one them one top, say them on top, they are wicked, and them are dog, and them are jankro. And that's when NEWLINK I go say, rest in peace, Feluke. Rest in peace. Viewers and subscribers, it's sad, but the Almighty knows what's best. Love your brothers, love your sister, because people me can tell her this. They are strong today, healthy today, and you say tomorrow, we just don't know what will happen. Give God thanks every day. And I'm just gonna tell you this, people. Giving the Almighty thanks and praises. We shall do that on a daily basis because God is so good. When I say we wake up, people, and we feel strong and healthy, and if we feel sick, we can come to boom and heal up and feel back strong again, give God thanks because He's working, and He always working for us because He's real and He's good. And anyone who don't believe in the Almighty, people, don't keep them around you. You understand? Because God is real. So you don't know, people, I gotta go now, and please just watch out these little clips that I'm gonna put up with Feluke doing some performance, people, and do enjoy it. May his soul rest in peace. Feluke lives on. Blessings, people. Peace out. Attack.
The beauty club is full. The best one is the queen. She's lying next to me, and now I feel complete. Yeah. Because you're alive. Girl, you are my queen alive. Everything I need, Lord. Girl, you make me complete. Yes, you are alive. Girl, you are my queen alive. Everything is alright. As I was going through the valley, road it seemed so rocky. She gave to me an angel and showed her how to guide me. You see, she held me by the hand, guided me through the step. The road it seemed so dark, but Jack, she gave me light. Pocket, in my heart to make a space that only you alone can make.